So today we are going to make 4 social media post design for our T20 World Cup champions in Photoshop. So here I choose 2000 by 2000 pixel page, and our first post design is for Virat Kohli. Let's start by choosing the background first, and I use blue gradient for our men in blue. So for do this, we will go to the gradient editor. Choose blue color. If you are wondering, what this texture in background? It's a paper background which you can find on Google. Find some images of Virat Kohli. Let's take this image for our design. I already did the main selection of this image from Quick Selection. Add another image with trophy. And here I use sharpen effect on this image to make it more contrasting. And now we will going to add some lines spoken by the players. Actually, these lines are not spoken by the player. I just found random lines from ChatGPT. So I will add these lines on a scrap of paper. And above that I add a orange color rectangle shape. Then I set layer to multiply. If we talk about the text, you can see paper effect inside the text. So how I did that is by using clip mask. First keep the scrap of paper layer above the text. Then take your cursor between these text and paper layer while pressing Alt button, then left click on it. Now do the same for other words. Now add a T20 logo on top right corner. Now add a signature of Virat Kohli. A crown for our king. And our first design is completed. Now it's all the same process for our another post design of Rohit Sharma. Also same for Hardik Pandya. But there is a one different thing I did in this design, is that this cool lines around Hardik Pandya. So for do this, select brush and choose color for lines. Then set the size of the brush for the thickness of lines. Now choose pen tool, click on a point, then click on another point. Now make it little bit curved by dragging it down without leaving the mouse. Then do the same. Now right-click and select stroke path. And keep stimulate pressure on. And also select brush tool only. Now here you can see these lines. Double-click on the right side of the line layer, then select outer glow. And here I will use yellow color for giving nice glow to our line. Adjust opacity and size according to your choice. Now here you can see the glow. Now select layer mask for removing these lines from Hardik Pandya. You can only use clip mask by selecting brush tool. And to erase anything, your foreground color should be black, and to reverse back the erased part choose white in background. And with this, our Hardik Pandya post design is also completed. And did the same process with our last post design of Jasprit Bumrah.